downloading some files in front of Surrender. So I thought I'd read for you. Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. Read in the voices of Connor-Catboy and Oscar Snifflemonster.
Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss.
I am Sam!
Here he goes.
Sam I am!
That's Sam I am. That's Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am.
Do you like green eggs and ham?
I do not like them Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham.
Would you like them here or there?
I will not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You see, I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am.
Would you eat them in the mouse? Would you eat them with the mouse?
I do not like them in the house. I do not like them with the mouse. I do not like them in the here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You see, I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am.
Would you eat them in the box? Would you eat them with the fox? Cool fox!
Not in the box, not in the box, not in the house, not with the mouse. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. You see, I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am.
Could you eat in the car? Eat them, here they are.
I would not, could not in the car.
You may like them, you'll see. You may like them in the tree.
I would not, could not in the tree, not in the car. You let me be. I do not like them in the box. I do not like them in the box. I do not like them in the house. I do not like them with the mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am.
A train, yeah. Would you on the train?
Not in the train, not in the tree, not in the car, Sam, let me be! I would not, could not with the box. I would not with the fox. I will not eat them in the house. I will not eat them in the house. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am.
Say! In the dark! You're in the dark! Could you in the dark? Cool, it's dark.
I would not, could not in the dark.
Could you in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain, not in the dark, not in the train, not in the car, not in the tree. I do not like them, Sam, you'll see. Not in the house, not with the box, not with the mouse, not with the fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green eggs and ham?
Say, I do not like them, Sam I am.
How could you? Would you? With the goat?
I would not, could not with the goat.
Could you on the boat? Oh, boats are totally cool.
I could not, would not to the boat, not to the...
I will not eat them not with the goats, and I will not eat them on the rain, I will not eat them on the train, not in the dark, not in the tree, not in the car. You let me be! I do not like them in the box, I do not like them in the fox, I will not eat them in the house, and I do not like them in the mouse, I do not like them here or there, I do not like them anywhere! I do not like green eggs and ham.
Sorry, too many pause.
Oh, he's on the water.
Sam I...
This is the hardest part. Oh, you do not like them, so you say. Try them and you may. Try them and you may, I say.
Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them. And you'll just see.
He's gonna try them. See that? He's gonna try.
Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do, I like them, Sam I am.
And I will eat them in the boat.
And I will eat them with a goat. And I will eat them in the rain, and in the dark, and in the train, and in the car, and in the tree. And they are so good, you see, so good, you see. So I leave them in the box, and I will eat them in the box. And I will eat them in the house, and I will eat them with a mouse. I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. I do not so like green eggs and ham. Thank you. Thank you. So
Alright. Subscribe, follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Go to TiffanyCurtisLive.com, ABC.com/TiffanyCurtisLive.
see you soon.
See ya!